In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a site to Nexcess, step by step. Transitioning your website to a new hosting provider can seem daunting, but with a clear path forward, you can make this process smooth and seamless. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to need to sign up for Nexcess Hosting. Visit their main website and find the sign up button on the home page. Once you've clicked through, you'll be directed to different hosting options. Depending on your needs, you might be selecting a plan for WordPress, WooCommerce, or even Magento. Take your time to review what each plan offers and choose the one that perfectly aligns with your site's requirements. Once you've picked a plan, it's time to create your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your profile, and then log into the Nexcess client portal. This portal will be your control hub throughout the entire site migration. Once there, navigate to access your Nexcess dashboard, where you'll manage your hosting environment settings. Next, you want to get to your plan details by heading to Plans, then select your particular site and find the site dashboard. This navigation should lead you to obtain essential server details such as your SFTP SSH database and temporary domain information. Make a note of these details as they will be crucial throughout the migration. Before moving your site, it's critical to back up your current website. This step ensures you have a fallback option that preserves all your work in case anything doesn't transfer correctly. You can either use a cPanel backup function or manually use a file manager to back up your site files. Additionally, export the database using phpMyAdmin or another backup plugin you trust. Once everything is backed up safely, head over to Nexcess and start uploading your site. You'll need an SFTP client like FileZilla or CyberDuck to achieve this. Upload all your website files to the public HTML or designated web folder corresponding to your site name on the Nexcess server. For the next step, you need to handle the database. Log into MyAdmin via Nexcess, create a new database, then import your .sql file from the backup you took earlier. Now you must configure your wp-config PHP file for WordPress. Ensure you update this file with the new database credentials to match those provided by Nexcess. You can then test your website on a temporary URL provided by Nexcess to guarantee that everything is functioning correctly before the full switch. Once confirmed, point your domain to Nexcess by updating the DNSA record to point to your new Nexcess IP. Keep in mind that propagation can take up to 24 hours before your site fully transitions. Finally, safeguard your site by enabling SSL encryption. Nexcess offers free Let's Encrypt SSL, which you should enable via the SSL section in the dashboard to secure your site. And there you have it, a comprehensive framework to transition your site to Nexcess. Remember, each step is crucial for a smooth migration, so take your time to follow along carefully and ensure everything is set up perfectly for your website's new home. Happy migrating!